Hey, good day everybody. I've got this Powerworks 8-volt rotary tool. These guys sent this to me to do an unboxing review on. I'm very happy about this, so thank you very much, you guys, for sending this to me. Let's check it out. See what's inside this thing. Oh, look at this. This is everything that came in the box. It's got the kit here and then some directions. So let's go through this and see what this is about. This is great. Look at this thing. This is nice, very compact. Love it. There's the on and off switch right there, right where you need it. Comes charged up right out of the box. That's great. That is awesome. So you can turn it on. You can adjust the speed there too. I don't know if you can see that, but to me that looks like a 3. Ooh, 4, 5. Now we're cruising. 6. Okay, it goes up to 6. So 1 through 6. Just by pushing that button right there. Now where you charge it is right on the back here. This is a nicely designed tool. So there's the port right there. It comes with the charging cable. One of these right there. And here's some of the here's the accessories that come with it. The tips. What's in that one? You check that out?
Yes.
And this is all little sanding discs here, wire brush. That's awesome. Drill, stone files, all kinds of different cool files. Some really fine ones, some different shaped ones for getting different areas. That's nice. This is a cotton one, cotton type of tip. And then here's the wrench for it. Okay, what we did is we just took this collet, slid it down in there, crank it down with the wrench. All right, we're gonna start out with this little bit right here, kind of show you what it can do. I'm gonna go ahead and test it on this piece of wood. Man, this puppy hums. You got that on 6?
Yep.
Cool. Just a couple of quick tips though. If the red light flashes one time, it's low power. That means you got to charge it. Flashes twice, that means short circuiting, the machine's blocked. If the red light flashes 3 times, that's temperature protection. You need to stop using it and let it cool down. Ah, that's cool. Right on. You're gonna use this every day quite a bit in your plumbing job?
Oh yeah, when I put in shower handles and anything with the shower, I always got to cut fiberglass, so I'll really use that grinding tool really a lot.
Okay, cool. Okay, now we got a nasty end of copper pipe that we just chopped with a Sawzall. Now we need to clean it up.
You're gonna want to put this in, and then you pretty much just slide it on. Yep.
Nice. All right. Go ahead and use this tip for the end of that copper pipe. Okay, next we're going to try and finish the job here with this this other bit. Oh yeah. Is that doing the trick?
Oh yeah, dude.
All right, here's how you use that. It comes with a bit right here, and you just take your flathead or a knife, loosen it up a little bit all the way, and then pop this baby on there.
There's 2 little gaskets that come with it.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna want to set one down before you put this in.
Maybe we'll put the screw through this first.
Exactly.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Gotcha. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Nice. And that goes, you want to put that gasket there? Oh, good idea. It actually comes with the little screwdriver too, just for this. That'll go in there, and you can tighten it up that way. There we go, and that's the setup. Let's check this baby. Okay, we're putting the collet in. Now we're putting the tip on our blade, and then we just crank it down. Here's the wrench.